Aave value equivalent to $105.17 a coin. The present exchanged cost range: $98.73, $107.70. The earlier day close: $99.29. The change was plus 5.88, plus 5.92%. Reverse rate: United States dollars to Aave. Aave value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Aave cost expectation for December 2023. Initially cost at $98. Excessive cost $116, while low cost $86. The normal for the month $101. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $102, change for December 4.1%. Aave gauge for January 2024. In the first place cost at $102. Exorbitant cost $111, while low cost $87. The normal for the month $101. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $104, change for January 2.0%. Aave cost expectation for February 2024. At the outset cost at $104. Excessive cost $129, while low cost $104. The normal for the month $115. Aave cost figure toward the month's end $121, change for February 16.3%. Aave gauge for walk 2024. To start with cost at $121. Exorbitant cost $150, while low cost $121. The normal for the month $133. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $140, change for spring 15.7%. Aave cost expectation for April 2024. At the outset cost at $140. Excessive cost $173, while low cost $140. The normal for the month $154. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $162, change for April 15.7%. Aave conjecture for May 2024. First and foremost cost at $162. Exorbitant cost $180, while low cost $156. The normal for the month $167. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $168, change for May 3.7%. Aave cost expectation for June 2024. Before all else cost at $168. Excessive cost $183, while low cost $159. The normal for the month $170. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $171, change for June 1.8%. Aave estimate for July 2024. First and foremost cost at $171. Exorbitant cost $202, while low cost $171. The normal for the month $183. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $189, change for July 10.5%. Aave cost expectation for August 2024. At the outset cost at $189. Excessive cost $207, while low cost $179. The normal for the month $192. Aave cost figure toward the month's end $193, change for August 2.1%. Aave gauge for September 2024. In the first place cost at $193. Exorbitant cost $210, while low cost $182. The normal for the month $195. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $196, change for September 1.6%. Aave cost expectation for October 2024. In the first place cost at $196. Exorbitant cost $212, while low cost $184. The normal for the month $198. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $198, change for October 1.0%. Aave gauge for November 2024. To start with cost at $198. Exorbitant cost $215, while low cost $187. The normal for the month $200. Aave cost estimate toward the month's end $201, change for November 1.5%. Aave cost expectation for December 2024. First and foremost cost at $201. Exorbitant cost $249, while low cost $201. The normal for the month $221. Aave cost figure toward the month's end $233, change for December 15.9%. Aave figure for January 2025. Before all else cost at $233. Excessive cost $259, while low cost $225. The normal for the month $240. Aave cost figure toward the month's end $242, change for January 3.9%. Aave cost expectation for February 2025. Initially cost at to start with cost at $252. Exorbitant cost $303, while low cost $252. The normal for the month $273. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $283, change for spring 12.3%. Aave cost expectation Aave figure for May 2025. To start with cost at $292. Exorbitant cost $292, while low cost $235. The normal for the month $268. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $253, change for May 13.4%. Aave cost expectation for April 2026. At the outset cost at $150. Excessive cost $150, while low cost $117. The normal for the month $136. Aave cost figure toward the month's end $126, change for April 16.0%. Aave figure for May 2026. Initially cost at $126. Excessive cost $156, while low cost $126. The normal for the month $139. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $146, change for May 15.9%. Aave cost expectation for June 2026. First and foremost cost at $146. Exorbitant cost $181, while low cost $146. The normal for the month $161. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $169, change for June 15.8%. Aave gauge for July 2026. To start with cost at $169. Exorbitant cost $169, while low cost $132. The normal for the month $153. Aave cost estimate toward the month's end $142, change for July 16.0%. Aave cost expectation for August 2026. In the first place cost at $142. Exorbitant cost $142, while low cost $113. The normal for the month $130. Aave cost estimate toward the month's end $122, change for August 14.1%. Aave estimate for September 2026. To start with cost at $122. Exorbitant cost $152, while low cost $122. The normal for the month $135. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $142, change for September 16.4%. Aave cost expectation for October 2026. In the first place cost at $142. Exorbitant cost $157, while low cost $137. The normal for the month